Trying to boost your income in 2026, but don't want to take on another full-time job? The good news is this: there are more flexible, beginner-friendly opportunities this year than ever before. And today, I'm breaking down 7 realistic side hustles that anyone can start, even with a busy schedule or zero experience. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss new opportunities coming this year. Let's get into it. Side hustle number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning real money online. If you can write, design, edit videos, code, manage social media, or even just organize emails, there's a business out there that needs your help. Start simple. Create a basic portfolio using Google Drive or Canva. Offer a small starter package to get your first reviews. Search for clients on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and LinkedIn. And don't forget, small local businesses are often easier to land than big companies. Send a polite message offering help, and you might secure your first client faster than you think. One good client can turn into predictable monthly income. Side hustle. Number 2, tutoring and skill coaching. You don't have to be a trained teacher to tutor. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. You can tutor in maths, English, languages, science, music, software skills, or even how to use AI tools. Platforms like SuperProf, Tutor.com, and local community groups make it easy to find clients. To stand out, use AI to create personalized lesson plans. This not only saves you time, but also makes your sessions more valuable, helping you charge higher rates. Side hustle number 3, dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to run an online store without ever touching the inventory. You list the product, the supplier ships it, and you keep the profit. Start with Shopify or WooCommerce. Choose a niche that has emotional demand: pets, fitness, home decor, or personalized gifts. Create short videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts to showcase your products. Dropshipping is low risk, and if you find a winning product, it can scale surprisingly fast. Side hustle number 4, content creation. Content creation continues to be one of the best long-term income opportunities in 2026. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need to create content that solves problems people already search for. Choose your platform: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or blogging. And remember this: consistency beats perfection. People don't follow perfect creators. They follow helpful ones. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products. The more value you give, the faster you grow. Side hustle number 5, pet sitting and dog walking. If you prefer working offline, this is one of the most reliable options. Pet owners are busy, and they always need someone they can trust. Apps like Rover, Wag, and Tailster make it easy to get started. Offer dog walking, house sitting, pet boarding, or drop-in visits. Once a pet owner trusts you, they'll hire you again and again. It's flexible, enjoyable, and the demand is growing every single year. Side hustle number 6, online surveys and market research. This won't make you rich, but it will make you extra money without much effort. You can do these while watching TV, during downtime, or while commuting. Use platforms like Prolific, User Testing, YouGov, or Swagbucks. They're legitimate, easy to use, and pay you for your time and opinions. Think of this one as bonus money rather than a primary income source. Side hustle. Number 7, virtual assistant work. Small business owners are overwhelmed, and that's where you come in. Virtual assistants help with email organization, scheduling, social media posting, customer service, or spreadsheet management. Create a simple list of services you offer and apply on LinkedIn, Indeed, and Upwork. To increase your chances, offer a 1-week trial at a reduced rate. If they like your work, they'll keep you on long term, and that means stable monthly income. And there you have it. 7 realistic side hustles anyone can start in 2026, with no complex skills and no huge startup costs. If you want a part 2, or if you want a complete guide on how to start one of these step by step, let me know in the comments. Before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and keeps videos like this coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.